Magnganga ka diha ba? Analoy. He just want the water. Let me go. We are passing the water. Hala, nindot day diri Carol if you do some bike. Yeah, you played your bike. It's good I hear.
Nania, that's a big boat, huh?
Ni Nana?
Ni Nana, yes.
Ni Nana.
Did that boat
Oh my God, that's a big boat.
Did that
Is it true boat?
Yes, it's a ferry. They retired it.
Oh. So like that's the real boat
Yes.
that everyone rides in.
Yes. Well, did ride it. It's too old now. Now it's just history.
I thought they let you build it and it had to take time.
No, that's a real boat. They floated it in here and parked it.
What?
Yeah.
How? Like did they like fill it with water?
The river's right there.
I don't know.
They cut a hole, floated it in, parked it.
Nice in summer, no? Ooh, what is that?